So if you look at this right now, so this is what you're going to do now. So you go to your MetaTrader 4. So you go to your MetaTrader 4. Select EuroCard. We're already on EuroCard. So this is EuroCard. All right. You select EuroCard. You click trade. What we're doing is now automatically it's on market execution. All right. So you click where you have market execution. I don't want to market execute. I want to sell stop. The trade idea is a sell stop. So the entry, I'll clean it. I'm going to copy what was here, 1.2. I just click on copy. It's copied. I come here, I paste. Done. I go to what's my stop loss? I copy. I come here, stop loss. Delete what's there. Click on it, paste. I go to my take profit. I copy. I come here, delete. So this, where under the sell stop, is where you have your lot size. So 0.1 means you're using a mini, 0.01 means you're using a micro, 1.0 means you're using a standard. Depending on the equity you have, let's say you have about $1,000, you can use 0.1. Let's say you have $100, you can use 0.01. Right? Let's say you have $500, you can use 0.05. All right. What it means is you're using a 0.01 for every pip in the market, you're getting 10 cents. You're using a 0.1 for every pip in the market, you're getting $1. You're using a standard for every pip, you're getting what? $10. So now I'm using a 0.01 because I want to use a mini. Though I can use a 0.2, but I'm using a mini. So I place the trade. That's all I need to do. So the trade is already there. You can see I have other trades that are there that I set already. So I'm going to give us some trade ideas. But that's how to copy and paste. Is there anyone in this chart who can do what I just did? What I just did. Is there anyone in the chat who can do it? I need. Is there anyone in the chat who can do what I just did? Is it easy? What I just showed you guys, is it easy? This is Forex trade. IQ said is binary. We're going to treat both of them. I just want everybody who's on this chart, when you are on the elite package, oh my God, is there anyone in the chat who can do what I just did? Is it easy? What I just showed you guys is easy. All right. That's how to copy and paste. So when we give the trade idea, don't miss it. This thing I can sleep, I can be busy, I can be working. Whenever the trade hits, all right, I'm going to get my money. It's going to me. And I'm going to be on the trades. These are trades I was saying. Look at another trade. So I was showing you the swipe trade. So this was a trade idea. All right. Euro USD was sent. Was it yesterday? I told you the day before yesterday. I don't know if it's still gonna be here. This was sent yesterday. All right. It won. AUDNZ won yesterday. AUD card won yesterday. They sent GBP card yesterday. All these are trade ideas that was sent yesterday. Most of them are won already. I don't know if I want to see. Target hit. Can you see? Target hit. AUDNZ was target hit yesterday. I want to see the Euro USD still there. I don't need to waste my time. This is leveraging over money. Okay, 2 days ago, I'm not sure the trade is still okay. The trade is no more here. The trade is no more here, as in they update it from time to time. But I don't see anyone who's on this system. What you want to do for yourself is get the elite pack. Get swipe trade. You have access to all of the tools, and I'll teach you. You would make a whole lot of both Forex and on HFX. Okay, so this is what I want to do before I get started. How many of you saw the testimony I posted on the group? You saw the testimony I posted on the group about one of our students who just made an amazing. Can you guys hear me? You saw the testimony I posted on the group. Okay, now I want to quickly make a topic post. This is someone who got started yesterday. He actually got started yesterday. All right. Hey, David, you got your was it yesterday you got your registration link access? Was it yesterday or the day before yesterday?
Yesterday.
Okay, good. So your first training was yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Have you ever done Forex before?
No, not at all.
Yesterday was the first time you were exposed to it.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday was the first time you were exposed to it. Okay, good. Can you quickly share with us what happened? So tell us what happened yesterday during the training. For everybody who's here, I'm in Warri right now. I'm doing a special program for the team here in Warri. We've had an amazing 3-day training, and I'll leave it for the guests that are here to share the testimonies. But this one was amazing. So Edave, you tell me, from the time you attended the presentation, the training, and the practical session yesterday, before you did what you did, can you share the experience?
Okay. Yesterday you taught us how to place a trade and when to stop a trade. So he gave us 2 important points. He gave us, first of all, to understand the strengths, that's the flaw, and then standpoints. And then you gave us an example. First of all, did a daily trade, and then we moved to an hour section, and then we moved to I think 5 minutes trade. I followed all the procedures you did. Then I used the guideline you gave that we're able to get a strong point or a resistant point. Then I observed it from my chart that's using TradeView. I observed it from my TradeView. I saw when the trade was.
I need you to do something. Some people don't understand what you're saying. So can you share your screen? What you're saying, explain it.
Okay, can I share my screen now?
It's your first time. Okay.
How can I share my screen? My screen is already showing my IQ Sense trading platform.
Go to Zoom. Okay, go to Zoom.
I'm in Zoom already with you.
Okay, under your screen, you're going to see share screen. Mute, stop.
Okay, Yes, I'm seeing share screen.
Okay, if you click on it, you will see your trading view. So you see the several things that you opened in your system. Hope your trading view is open now, right?
Yes, it's open. Then should I click on these multiple participants or advanced sharing options?
If you click on sharing screen, what
Yes.
you will see the different this thing you've opened in your.
Okay, yes, I can see them.
Okay, so
This is
click on the one
my,
that says trading view or Google. Where do you have trading view? Your
yes,
Google.
I clicked on it. Should I click on share?
Yeah, click on share.
Okay, this is my screen. I don't know if you can see it.
It's loading. All
Okay,
right. So this is
it's
your
loading.
trading account. Okay,
Yeah,
go to your trading view.
my trading view. Okay, my
Yeah, you did the analysis.
this is my trading view. Can you see it?
All right. So I want everyone to watch. Okay, so you can explain what you did now.
Okay. 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 Currently, now what I'm observing from the market now, look at the green. This one, first of all, the market has been selling. It has been buying. So it has bought to a certain point now, and I guess it actually
Hold on.
broke.
Hold on. Hold on. I want you to
Okay.
explain something. What I
Okay.
explained yesterday from the daily.
Okay.
From the daily, I just want you to take them through. You are a new student. You
Yes, sir.
were exposed to this thing yesterday,
Yes,
and
sir.
practically you did over $100.
Yes, sir.
Take them through the process of what I taught yesterday and what you did.
Okay. Okay. Can I clear everything from my screen and start all over again?
Do that.
I don't even know how to clear. Okay.
Go down at the left side. Go down.
At the left. Okay. Down.
Yes. See the arrow. See that's the.
This remove join.
Yeah. Remove our
Okay.
drawings. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Over to you. Train us.
Okay. Yeah. I need to. Should I still? I need to remove because this one is already showing this guy's prediction. Should I remove it too?
Which one?
I should start from here. The chat just start from here. Okay. Well, I came to daily. Came to daily. This is I don't know if you can see my screen.
Yeah.
I need to come in. Let me out.
At this point, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
At this point, you've not activated the Ivan Cabra strategy. So can you go to
I have not.
Close the eye.
Sir?
Close the eye. Go to where you have the Ivan Cabra strategy. Close the eye.
I've closed the eye already. Now, okay.
Of the Ivan Cabra showing here.
Let me move my camera from there. Okay.
No.
Hold on, I'm coming. Sorry.
This not here. Okay, good. What I want you to do is, are you with me?
Yes, just I'm coming.
Just remove I want to show you. Under where you have, under the Euro USD, you are seeing ECBS2 200. Where you are seeing that ECBS2. Okay, go to the just put your cursor there. You will see it will show options. Just close the eye.
Of them, is it this one here?
The one at the top right, like on where you
top
have
right.
Yeah, you have top left. Sorry.
Okay, top left. Top left is this era.
Yeah.
Yes.
ECBS2. Yeah, you have that ECBS2. No, down a little bit, down. After
seen it.
Okay, you've seen it. Okay, good. That is the Ivan Cabra. Close the eye.
Okay.
Yes, that is how you close it. So now a clean chart. So you can shrink the chart now. Okay, good.
Can you see the chart?
Yes. What you want to do? Click on where you have for you to shorten. Hold on a bit. Let me show you something. For you to shorten the chart, here you have the prices. This 1 point. Here you have the prices on this right. Click on it and draw it down. Here you have the prices on the right of the chart.
Okay, that's this part.
Where you have the prices. This 1.7, where the price is moving. At this 1.700.
Should I draw it down?
Yeah, click on it and draw it down.
Okay.
Not that
That's
one.
the end.
Okay, hold on. I want to show you quickly. Hold on. Let me interfere your sharing. I want to show you quickly so that you can do it. Let's see. See this now. Can you see where I am? Where my arrow is?
Yes.
If you click on it, you bring it down. You shrink. You take it up.
Yeah.
You expand. All right.
Yeah. Yes.
So that's
yes.
how you shrink and expand. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to draw, you click on it and hold draw. So that's what you can do. So I'll
Okay.
leave you to share now. You can go share now.
Okay.
All right. Okay, you can go. So,
Okay.
so take us through the training.
Okay. So this is my my trade for that's for daily. First of all, I looked at the okay, come in. Should I be explaining everything I did?
So you said you went to the daily, all right? So
Yes.
after you went to the daily, what next did you do?
Come in.
No, it's the second one. Click on the side. Click on the side of it, not the side of it. You get the horizontal.
That's what I'm even looking for.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm getting my my supports. There should be for a day. Then I'm coming. I'll change this color. Is that to explain it? I'm not. I can't really explain everything that you said, but I understand to an extent.
So what you just did now was you went to the daily. You took a support and you took a resistance.
Yeah.
All right. So what next?
Okay. Then I'm going down to so an hour trade because I want to trade. So this is for an hour. I don't know if you understand what I'm doing. Sir?
Yeah. Perfectly. I believe everyone is following. If you're following, type in a 555 on the chat. All right, good. Okay, good. So for everyone who's just joining, this is someone who got started yesterday for the first time. He's never done Forex before. He was exposed to the training I did yesterday, and he took the training. He did it himself, and he made over $200 today. So that's why I'm bringing it on the session, for him to show you what he learned yesterday. So you can go on. Good. What did you just do now?
I'm coming. Let me just change this color. Okay. Okay. This is for an hour trade. I just created a support and a resistance for an hour trade. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good. All right. They are following
So,
you.
okay. Am I getting it right? Can you hear me, sir? Hello? My network is bad. Okay. This one happens. Maybe this strong point. Okay. This one really happens to be resistant. Okay. My network. Well, lost connection.
We can hear you. We can hear you. We can hear you.
Can you hear me?
We can hear you. Mr. Kempis' network is out. But we can
Okay,
hear
okay,
you.
okay. So what I did now, from what you explained yesterday, I followed this explanation. Then I understood how to be able to get your support, your strong point, your support point, and your resistance point. Then from this red line, I use them as a to indicate my resistance points.
My network took me out. Can you hear me?
So yes, I can hear you, sir. So you observe this trade now. This trade is actually selling now. This is a strong resistance point I just indicated on top here. That is why when it gets to this top, it's coming down back because this is a strong resistance point. It needs a higher force before it can break it. So this market probably is under a probability of selling. This downline now, which is my support point, I try to follow this explanation. So when it gets to this point, you can see the market is fighting the buyers are fighting to penetrate through. So instead, it's when it gets to the resistance point, it starts selling down again. That's this particular line here, which I indicated. Now I'm able to get this one from this daily one now. I'm able to get my support points, which means if this thing is it's actually selling now, if it sells to this extent, sometimes my prediction might not be fully correct, so I might back it up with the strategy give to us, which is sir, can you hear me?
Yes,
am I doing
the
right thing? So this is what I actually did yesterday, this early morning when
did you take it to the 5 minutes? You've not taken it to the 5 minutes.
Yeah, no, not yet. I took it to the 5 minutes before I traded. This is 5 minutes of it now. Okay, now for 5 minutes now, I need to still bring out my support points. Come in, let me stretch this thing a bit.
It's already perfect.
Yes, so this is my 5 minutes trade. Now,
It's already perfect.
Okay.
So what's the next thing you did?
So the next thing I did, I used the strategy you gave. Let me move my screen to back it up because this one has already seen at the market. The market is already buying right now. It's buying, but like you gave us an advice. You said we use because it will start selling soon because this is a resistance point of which my own can't be perfect except I have to move this thing. Okay. And then let's see.
No, you already have it. You already have the Invacabra. So what you did, what I said was, you go to the where you have FX. All right, that
Yes,
FX.
it's true.
By the side of you type Invacabra.
Bacabra, yes.
Yeah. So that is for those who are new. They should follow this. But you
Binary
already
strategy
have it. You
too.
don't need to click on it because you already
I
have it.
know,
So
I know.
just
I
go to
already
where
have
you
it
have the
here.
eye.
Yes, and I like
Just
to
go
show.
to where you have the eye.
Yeah.
Close this one and go to where you have the eye and open the eye.
Okay.
ECBS2, where you close the eye, just open it again.
Yeah. I'm coming. I need to remove this. This stuff is disturbing my screen.
Just move it. Just click on this. Click on it and move it.
I'm coming. This stuff is disturbing my screen. Let me hide it. Okay.
So click on the eye, where you have that eye on the front of the ECBS. That same place I told you to close the eye. Open the eye.
Okay.
Okay,
Can you
good.
see it now?
So what does this do?
Okay, this one it actually tells me more about my strong points. It makes me understand the strong support points and the resistance point better. So this red line here from this Ivan Carver's strategy is it's that this line is actually a strong resistance point. So what I did my trade because I actually worked with Ivan's strategy. So what I did when I observed the market, because I actually did some multiple trading, I risked $10, then I lost it. I did $10, I lost it. Then and I started understanding how the strategy is. So that was how I was able to.
Before you go, all right, can we all see that when the trade got to that line, he hit the line and he started going back now?
Yes, look at it here. When it got to this support point.
It means if you are taking the trade at that point, if you had activated the strategy, even if you drew a support or resistance, if you had activated that strategy, it would have told you to wait for where it was strong. Now, I want you to do something. Go to your trading account and show them, because what you just did now is just an explanation I want to put out today. So go to your trading account and show them what you did today.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming. This is my trading account. Can you see it?
Yes, you can. So go to your close trade. Go to your close trade.
My close trade. Okay. Close trade is these are my close trade.
So you won 5 out of what? 5 on this session.
Yes. I actually see what I did. If you observe the one I lost, I used $10, but the one I won,
I saw it.
I was able to use $90 to win, $90 to win again because I understood the market better.
Good.
So I took a risk with $10 because I knew I was going to lose it. That's the $10 under and I lost it. I was trying to understand the market better.
All right, so go to the next page.
Okay. It's loading. This is the next page.
You won 5 out of 4 here as well.
Yeah.
Okay, one was break even. Right.
The one was even. It actually stayed at that point. That's this 20.
Can you stop sharing?
Okay.
Just click on stop sharing.
Okay, sir. All right.
All right. So what I want you to tell me something. How do you feel when the first day I spoke to you, there are a few things we said, and you said really you want to learn this thing, and
Yes.
you really want to focus and learn it. Your skepticism in the first place. What can you say about knowing Forex now, the ability for you to have learned, and you're practically doing it yourself? How does it make you feel?
Well,
I
I
know
feel
you
good
called me this
now.
morning, you were excited. You called me this morning, you were
Yeah.
excited. I was like,
Yes. I know with time now, I'll get to understand it better. I'm still learning. And I'm actually following, you said something concerning mentorship. So I don't really know much about it first, but just following your strategy alone has earned me almost $200 just in
on your first day,
yeah, on my first day.
you did not copy and paste from me. You learned the strategy, and that's what I said.
Yes.
The application is the key. A lot of people
Yes.
learn. A lot of people
Yeah.
follow. A lot of people are in the session, but they don't. They don't learn. They don't practice. But you did it. You practiced. You took the risk, and look at what it got you. Congratulations, bro. This is
Thank you,
just the
sir.
beginning.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
So now you know that by March next year, you're going to be making over $1,000, right?
Yes, sir, of course.
All right. Thank you very much for what you share. Who's excited? You're excited. Put in a 777 and congratulate Daffy. Alvin is our student with the first testimony here in Warri. All right. He participated for the first time yesterday. Yesterday was his first time. All right. And today, what he practiced, what he learned, he practiced as exactly as he was told, and he made money. All right. If we all made money during the session, the trades in the last few days, as I was training, I was calling trade ideas. Did we all of our trade ideas, were they successful? Putting $sign on the chart. If all of our trade ideas were successful, so while you were learning, some of them were earning. Putting $sign on the chart. All right, we're doing nothing different. We're doing nothing different. This thing works. If only you can just follow how it is, right? So what I want to do this morning is the same thing. I showed you guys we're in massive money already on Euro USD. Just the copy and paste. Oh boy. So before we get started again, you know why I always want to show you this? It's a reminder of what you're not doing that you're supposed to do, okay? So I always want to show you as a reminder that this same thing I want to do right now, or this same thing I'm showing you right now, this same thing I'm showing you right now, all right. This same thing I'm showing you right now were the same trades that I gave to you guys. Okay, same trade. And I'm going to show you the trades. I already showed you. I got Euro USD from my analysis, and it was called on swipe trades. It had a better floor, and I got in. Look at what it's been doing, right? I got USD JPY from the same analysis with the same strategy I want to teach you guys, and I've talked before. I know some of you are already in this trade because we took it as a sell limit. And I believe, hold on, I think I have another account that is running on this trade as well. Am I sure? I have another account that I had this sell limit. Okay. What account? Okay, it was okay. All right. Just imagine, is this more than subscription money? And a lot of you look at this business and say, can I make my subscription money? Type in 111. All right. This trade, where it's going, is over $500. It's a swing trade. All right. And I'm going to show you. If you're excited about what you're seeing, put in 777 in the chat. I can decide to take this money now and close my trading for the day. All right. I'm excited. So what I want to show you guys. So if you like what you see, the only thing you have to do is learn it. And that's what I want to show you guys. Nothing different. Okay. So this is where we got USD. Why? I want to show you something. I love the trade. Look, I'm going to delete everything now. So this is daily. So let me show you what happened in the trade. When you guys see this thing, don't play. You don't play with things like this, right? So this was a daily floor, all right? So let me put it there. And I told you that daily, so it happened to be a daily floor around here. And guess what? I saw trade come to that same area. Why won't I take it? So this was the daily floor. Trade got to that area. I took it. And guess what? Where do you think this trade is going? What trend? See, what trend is this? Type it on the chart. What trend is this? So this trade is practically trending upwards. And it came to a floor. It's massive. This trade is going to hit here. So if I want to take a long trade, I know this trade is going here. How many pips do we have there?
Sorry, sir, we can't see your screen.
You can't hear me?
We can't see your screen.
Oh, I'm not sharing. Are you serious? Okay, sorry. I thought I shared. Can you guys see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, good. So let me go back. So I guess you guys were already seeing it. Let me go back. I'll go back. I'll go back. Okay, I can't. Let me just start over again. So what you guys want to learn, all right? So this is the daily chart. How does it look like here? The market is what? It looks like it's flat, it's consolidating. So we have a ceiling and we have a floor. The market's consolidating. So this was the previous floor, and market came to that previous floor. All right, what do? You buy. Floor came there again, bought. Like I asked, three things that governs the market is what? A trend, support and resistance, and price action. What trend is this? This is an uptrend. So it means the market is going up. So, and what did I say? When the market is going up, where do you look for the market? Type it on the chart. Where do you look for market when, I need everyone to be with me. Where do you look for market when it's going up? When you want to buy the market, where do you look for it? So if I am on the daily, this is my daily floor, and price came to floor again. What do? You buy. All right, excuse me. I want to shift location. Can you guys hear me loud and clear? Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you guys hear me loud and clear? Okay, good. I think the noise, the background noise is a little bit slow here, right? So this is good business. Same thing. There's a whole lot of money to make. So the first thing I do, three things that govern the market is trend, support, and resistance, and price action. So the trend is an uptrend. From the daily, it looks like the market is what? Moving up. So I understand that. What am I looking for? I'm looking for buys, all right? In the daily proportion or monthly proportion into the daily. Is this daily? No. I made a mistake. Sorry. I start from the monthly. I knew something was missing. Okay, so in trend trading, I start from what? The monthly. I want to break it down. Okay, I know I got something. So if we look at this trade right now, the monthly, okay, good. What does this trade look like? Is it buying or selling? So I want to make this one very fast right now, okay? So the market looks like it's trending down, all right? In the monthly. And in the monthly, same ceiling is the monthly. So this ceiling is the monthly ceiling, all right? And this floor is the monthly floor, as well as we also have what? A floor of the monthly here. So tell me, ladies and gentlemen, what will not make me buy this trade if it comes to this monthly floor? It shows me that this is a strong buy area, all right? But don't forget, the market is coming down. So ultimately, in a long run, I am looking for what? A sell. Because this is coming down. It's having the lower highs and lower lows, all right? So it's preparing for a sell in a long run. But I am not trading monthly. I am trading daily. I'm trading intraday. I use intraday to enter the trade. So the second thing I go, now that I know the monthly perspective, is that I go to what? The weekly, to see what the weekly is doing. All right? Don't forget, I love to change my ceilings to red. And my floors blue. So if we look at the weekly right now, weekly looks like monthly. So this is what weekly also look like. All right? Kind of, all right? Weekly is still looking down. So if I want to busy my chart, this is the weekly looks like this, right? It's still looking like, yes, it's following the monthly what? Run. So not bad. So I can take that one out. Weekly is still looking like the market is coming down. So now that I know weekly is aligned with the monthly, I'm looking for a sell limit. All right? I know that market is going up somewhere. Now I know where market is going to. If market gets here, it might sell. Or if it gets here, it might sell. So that's my preparation for a sell. But on the daily, you know why I took this trade for a buy? On the daily, market is going up. Look at the trend. The daily trend is showing that market is going up. So here we have an intersection of trend. So it means this area is a sell area for me. This area, you see, confluence, trend line of the monthly, trend line of the weekly, and ceiling of the weekly is around this area. So this is Forex now, right? This analysis is Forex analysis. Where is the extension that we did? All right. So I know that this area, all right, is my area of sell. This confluence is my area of sell. All right. So I know what the daily is talking about now. So I go to what? The 4 hours. Yeah, bring the extension. Sorry, excuse me. So before we'll take some trades on. So now what does it look like on the 4 hours? On the 4 hours, all right, the market has broken the 4-hour high, and this is another high. So I see there is a high here. Okay, so I just put it as a ceiling. This is what is happening on the 4 hours. It means when market gets here, this is my TP for the trade I'm taking right now. I'd already bought the trade from here. All right. So hope you guys are following the video. This is recorded. This is recorded, so you can go through and you analyze your chart the same way I'm going to give the trade. So this is where my trade is going. So the trade comes here, I'm going to take my TP from the one I have right now, and I can set a sell around it. One beautiful thing I want to teach us today, all right? I have an opportunity to teach us today that I follow. Okay, is a simple tool that helps you, but I'm not going to talk about it. I might talk about it on my live. It's going to be today, probably on my live session, not here. All right, something that helps your confidence. I want to do that on Instagram live, but I'll just show you what I do with this now. So on the 4 hours, my trade is going somewhere. Okay, ultimately my confidence area is around here, but in the 4-hour look, this is a ceiling, so I can pick a sell here. I want to look at what it looked like because 4 hours look like the trade is going sideways. So if it's going sideways, it means if it hits here, it's going to come down a bit. All right. So the next thing I take it to 1 hour. So 1 hour looks like good. What was my 1 hour ceiling? Look at it. Trade has broken 1 hour ceiling. All right. It makes a whole lot of sense. That shows you something. If it had broken 1 hour ceiling, guess what? It's going to the next ceiling. All right. Trade is going to the next ceiling. So what I'm waiting for, I'll show you in a bit. So this is 1 hour. Something I always do on the 1 hour. Oh boy, this trade is crazily in an up run. Oh boy. So this is one of the things that can happen when I see things like this. All right. It had already broken. So it will get to an area of resistance. It might be fast. So we have a floor, former floor here. So this trade might move here, hit here, come here, all right, then go here. So that's what I'm already in the buy. I'm not looking for a buy anymore. All right. Since I've shown you the trend, I'm looking for a sell. So what can happen is that I can tell you this trade will sell from year to year. So we have a sell limit here. All right. We have a sell limit. Practically, we have a sell limit around. So someone type on the chart. Okay, hold on. I just want to do this fast, all right? Because we have a session by 11. I want to do this fast so that everyone will participate on the double blessing strategy that our mentor will be holding around 11 o'clock. So I have a sell limit. Let me just type it there. Sell limit. The same way some of you can ignore this. Same way you saw the money that was being made on my Forex account is this same trade. I am calling it now and it's already, we already have it. So I'm going to give you 2 sell limits at 1.18769. All right. And the TP1 is 1.17645. Stop loss between 30 to 50 pips. Okay, so that is sell limit TP1. TP2 that's the floor 1.15990. Okay, so that's our trade idea, first trade idea for this same analysis. Very simple. All right, very simple analysis. The trade is coming here, it gets here, it's going to sell. All right, so this is what we're looking at. I'm waiting for trade to reach hit here. Okay, so this is destination. Don't forget, I favor the sell because the ultimate monthly and weekly is a sell trend. Don't forget, the weekly and the monthly will always overrule the daily and the 4 hours. All right. So now I've already caught my buy perfectly, and I'm in crazy money right now on that. So this is the sell limit. Then the second sell limit is this. All right. In case you miss that one, don't miss this area. Oh my God. If you get this one. So the only thing that will change is the sell limit. It's only the price at 1.19982 area. I'm going to put area in this one because there's a confluence. It means when it gets to 1.19, anything from 19, okay, let me use 61 because that's where we have the trend line. In between 61, okay, 197, okay, let me use 70 because in between 1970, in between the trend line and the resistance is a trade to start going down. All right, am I correct? 19700. Okay, that's the entry. TP1 here we can take here as TP1, same areas, 1.17. That's close to about 200 pips, 200 and something pips. 17645. TP2 is same area, 1 point. That's close to about 4. Am I correct? 400 pips. 15990. Stop loss is 50 to 100 pips. This trade is a copy and paste. You like, take it. You like, don't. All right. It's just a copy and paste. The manual, you can actually type it on the chat. Let them take it. It's a copy and a paste trade. So I know for a fact that if this gets here, I'm going to take a TP here. But this trade might hit here and start going here. I'll still also have a trade. So just set it on your, set the both of them. You can just put it on your MetaTrader 4. So this is a forex trade. All right, it's a forex trade. Very clean, very precise. This has prices are presently above the 1 hour floor. So what we might be waiting for is a retest. If it retests, some of you can get in. I already taught how to take a retest. All right, then it will go up here. But me, I won't enter because I'm already on it. I won't trade the retest, but I'll trade the sell around this area. All right, and here will be my first TP. Here's going to be my second TP. So you guys can set this very easy, very clean. All right, so this is my trade idea for the week. Follow this, might get into next week, like the one I did last week, got into this week, and we are in massive money. We saw how that played out right now. Yo, yeah, I like to motivate you again. All right. This is the trade that is running. So I'll show you USD JPY. I called USD JPY and it was clean. Look at how clean it was. All right. So I want you guys to bear me witness. Did I call the same thing you're seeing that I did now? Who got this trade? How many of you were on the session when I called this trade? Please, can you put on the fan for me? How many of you were on the session when I called this trade? Okay, no, I'm not sharing. Okay, hold on. Let me stop sharing. Let me share. How many of you like what you saw or you like what you're seeing? Type in $sign in the chat. So you guys can see USD JPY, right? The same thing I did. Can you see it? Can you all see? All right, so I gave a sell limit. I said this was the what? Can you see? If you take it to the 4 hours daily, this was the ceiling. And I gave what? I gave us what? The sell limit. Look at it here. I did not do this thing today. It was last week. How many of you were on the session when this was done? You were on the session when I did this. All you have to do was a copy and paste. All you had to do, just like now you're seeing this, copy and paste. All right. The same analysis I gave. This trade now, if it gets here, it's going to look like it's buying. All right. But if it breaks here, retest here, it's a sell limit. See, TP3 is 101. Where this trade is going is this. All right. Trade is going here. You look at this right now, and I'm going to be on the trade all the way. Look at where the trade is going. It had a monthly floor. Is this a sell trend? It's a sell trend. You can see that the market is what? Moving down. You can see it's moving down. So it means it will break this and it's going to come here. Massive money. So the same way I just gave this trade. If you like, take the trade. If you like, don't take the trade. You don't have to pay for this. The only thing you have to pay was attention. And if you pay the attention, you should be in money when this trade is going to trigger. It's called copy and paste. All right? It's called copy and paste. So I'm just going to do, what's the time right now? We have 20 minutes to our next session. So I want to do something. How do I take my HFX trade? So some of you are on HFX. All right? So same thing. It have told you guys. Very easy. If you look at this, this is a daily candle. The first thing I do is, what's my daily support and daily resistance? So previous day, the trade got here, all right, gave us a ceiling. Then this candle, you can see here, it was a floor. All right, so I change it to blue. Very easy. Then I look at this candle. Today, the all-time high of this candle, you can see, is here. So this is today ceiling and today floor. So I change the ceiling to red. Next thing I do, I take it straight to a 1 hour. I want to make it easy. So what has it been doing in the last 1 hour? First, I take a cue from what? My previous hour. So my previous hour gives me the high. So this is the high and this is the low of the previous hour. So I change the low to what? A floor. And the next thing I want to put is, in the last hour, this was the ceiling. All right? This was the ceiling in the last hour. And in this hour, the price has gotten to what? A floor. So I put it as a floor. All I'm just doing is just what? Getting the coordinates, reaction of the trade. Next thing is I take it to what? 5 minutes, which takes me to my area of trade. Can you all see that it's becoming clear? So in the last 5 minutes, here was a ceiling and here was a floor. Very perfect. Next thing I'm going to put is where the market opened. And so the market closed here, opened here. And the market was a floor. Yeah. So I put the blue. Okay. So now that I know this, I've gotten, and the market, can you see the market got to an high here? So this is a ceiling. I know I'm a bit fast, but this is perfect. So I know Euro USD is consolidating in this last 5 minutes between this area and this area. I don't know when to enter, but I know what am I doing in Euro USD? What am I supposed to do in Euro USD? Currency strength that is going to let me know. So this is USD JPY, sorry. USD JPY. USD is weaker than JPY, so the market should be selling. Now we'll go to Finbase. Oh boy, look at Bitcoin. Oh my goodness. Boom. So this is JPY, this is USD. I should be selling the market. Now that I know that I'll be selling the market, I'll be waiting for ceiling. All right. So I can go activate. So this area is an area of ceiling. So two things I want to activate now is my Ivan Cabra. All right. So the market is telling me that my dated ceiling is around 285. My dated ceiling, that's the last updated ceiling, which is the red zone, is 285. Okay. But one thing I know is this is a ceiling and this is a ceiling. Anything price is above the ceiling. So the next confirmation I can wait for is I want to go to the cash trap. So if I see a red candle, a red arrow around this area or around this area, I am going to what? Sell the market. And you can see it got there. Come on. And it's, oh my Jesus. And it, oh God. It's crazily going down. All right. So I can tell you this, when price make its way back up here to 243, 104, 243, you sell the market. So let's look at our hourglass. All right. Oh my God, this thing is busting the roof. Okay. So USD JPY, we see it's still a buy. All right. So what we're waiting for, if you see a sell around this red line, because this is a ceiling, that's why I like leaving the red and the blue. Anything I mark as a floor, I like leaving it. So good, look at it. The updated ceiling is here. So ultimately, this price gets here, I must sell it. But here is my previous support and resistance that I've drawn. So my red ceiling is my sell area. If I see the arrow in hourglass, show me red in USD JPY, I'll what? I'll sell the market. Does this make sense? Type in 555. If you allow these two things play, 95% of the time you're going to win your trade. 95 to 100% of the time you're going to win your trade. All right, you're going to win your trade 95% of the time. So what I'm waiting for on USD JPY, because I want to say, okay, it's almost there. USD JPY 243. If it gets to 243, I'm going to take my, I think I should take my first. Some of you can wait. Let's see. We're going to see an arrow. How many? Still have about 3 minutes, but I think I'm going to take a chance on 25. Let's see. What's the price? Oh my God. It's already there, 243. If it gets there, you can actually snap it. It has about 3 minutes to go. I always like waiting for the new candle. But I just want to take my chance on this one. 243. Oh my shit. Oh god damn, this guy is crazily moving up. 243 area. Some of you can wait for the candle to open and close. So what I do is I put it on fixed time. USD JPY is 78%. Like 243 is in 244. I just place a sell. Okay. What I just did, I traded above time. So it's still moving. Oh my God. So when this time closes, it's your time of take. Some of you can take it here, some of you can take it here. So anytime this time is closing now, you can take the trade. I'm already on it. Sharp one, low risk. When I'm taking trades like this that are moving, I use low risk. If it gets to 257 now, I'm going to double up because that's another area. If that 257 appears and the new candle is opening, I'm going to double up. 246 was my entry. 246 was my entry, which is this area. So let's see what the new candle is going to do. All right. If you took it, I believe you'll be in profit like I am right now. But most of the time, when the new candle is always the perfect entry. How many of you are on? All right. We have about 1 minute, 35 seconds to new candle. One minute, 35 seconds to new candle. So what we can do, if this is still going up, we do a rollover. All right. But I'm not too sure. This looks like it wants to respond to our call. How many of you got in? Look at. This looks like it's going to be a sexy AF. This green represents it's time for you to buy. How many of you got in on the trade? You got in on the trade, put in some dollar signs on the chart. This looks like a sexy AF. All right. You got in, put in some 777 on the chart. If you cleared already, awesome, powerful. All right, new candle wants to pop up right now. Reaction is going to get started. New candle, 28 seconds. Oh boy, this guy is going crazily down. What the fuck? Take pictures. Who's taking pictures? Who's taking pictures? Take a picture of this. This is sexy AF. No magic is gonna go against us. Oh my goodness. Put it on 777 in the chat if you love what you're seeing. 777 in the chat if you love what you're seeing. Clear analysis. Clear analysis. Simple. Within 3 minutes, we're done. All right? 3 minutes, 78% done. Same analysis I've been teaching you. You guys have been learning double blessing strategy. You guys are going to learn it again. All right? Our mentor is coming on in the next 10 seconds to teach you the same thing. All right? To teach you the same thing. All you need to do is get into the system. All right? Get into our training. Follow this video. This video is on my YouTube, More Academy TV. Go watch this video. Come live again in this next 10 minutes. We're going to be doing double blessing strategy. All right. This is a trade. In the next minute, you can actually take this trade again in the next candle. All right. So you can see it respected this ceiling that we marked before. So if you know how to draw your support and resistance, you wait for the cash trap. All right. It will always respond. I appreciate everyone. I believe you guys. I just wanted you guys to see this. All I wanted to do is to see this. Practically, we do it. This is what the Daffy learned. This is what other students are learning, and they're making crazy money. All right. What I want you to do is we have a plan for you to grow your money. Follow the plan. All right. The next trade I'm going to take, I'm going to use $17. I'm waiting for a perfect trade. The next trade I'm going to do, I'm going to take. If I win it, I will take a $32 in 10 trading session or 11 trading session is going to be over $1,000 US. All you need to do is learn the skill. If you're not yet in our system, all right, what you want to do is get back to the person who placed you on this call. Let's help you win money. I congratulate everyone. If you have a question, just take out a few minutes. All right, let's start it on the chat. I just have less than 4 minutes to get off here. Okay. We're going to make money live direct with the double blessing training we're having with our mentor, 11 o'clock. If you have any question, you can type it. If you're not yet a member of our system, indicate if you want to join us. All right? Indicate if you want to join us. If you want to start making this money with us, just indicate. It's so simple. Any question on the chat? Who loves to make money? Who loves to make money? I just traded IQ. What I traded is HFX, but I use my other platform. It's the same thing. You should have used your IQ Send. It's the same thing. IQ Send, race option, video forex is the same thing. I just traded HFX. That's what I did. All right. So everybody have different platforms. You have IQ Send, we have race option, we have video forex. Okay, all are the same HFX, IQ option. So whatever you did, the same thing that happened on IQ Send, the same thing that is happening on race option. Yes, they broke. Okay, imagine. So IQ Send would have paid you more money than he did pay me. You just made over $30. Tega, guess what? Let me make you a co-host. I want you guys to know this young boy. Tega, can you make yourself? Let me make you. This is a 15-year-old boy. All right. Tega is. Hope is that same Tega, right? Tega, you are the one, right? Is it Tega 15-year-old? Because I have a young student. Tega, is that you? Let me unmute you. Let me make a call. We have a 15-year-old who's doing, one of our students here. Unmute yourself, Tega. You can unmute yourself. Talk to me. Say, guys, are you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's you. All right. How old are you?
Yes, sir. 15 years, sir.
15 years. 15 years. How much did you just make?
Yes, sir.
So you
$30, sir.
$30. Okay, good. You've been following our sessions, you've been following the training. And you made money on Forex as well yesterday. How much did you make?
I made it over $20 yesterday, sir.
You made over
$20.
You made over $20. I saw you sent $40-something yesterday. Was it yesterday? Your trades yesterday.
$20, sir.
Okay, $20. Okay, good. This is a boy, a 15-year-old boy, still in school. But he's following our training and he's following our mentorship and he's making a whole lot of money now already. For him, for his age, it's a whole lot of money. He just made $30 on this session. How many of you have gotten paid today? All right. He's going to be one of the traders in our center here in Warri. Look at his age. This is the legacy we're setting for people. All right. This is the legacy we are setting for people. Thank you very much, Tega. You're going to be on a bigger platform. All right. I'm watching out for you. Please type in a 777 and congratulate this young boy that is setting a good precedent for our younger generation. Put in a 777 in the chat if you're excited. All right. God bless you all.